Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Stage of pre-operational thought. So here this is from age 2 to 7 and there is extensive use of the symbols. So symbols and the languages are used. Then there is a intuitive thinking, intuitive thought, and that is nothing but the lack of reasoning as well as logic. The lack of the reasoning and the logic is done. Next is there is a egocentric. So egocentric is where there is only concerned about the needs of self and it can't consider others' perspective. Can't consider others' perspective. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.